Alright y'all, I'm so excited because today we are redecorating our kitchen. So real quick, I'm going to show you before. I'm going to go ahead and just tidy up everything, make sure it's clean, and then we're going to go in with all the things I just purchased from Walmart. This video is not sponsored by Walmart, but I love going there, and they have a ton of like modern style decor and interior design. If that is what you're into, definitely check out Walmart. But without further ado, let me turn you around, show you what the kitchen looks like, and then we'll get into the cleaning and then the decorating. Alright, so we actually have a shed coming in the mail. There's like 4 different boxes to it. So that's one of the boxes. That's trash. It is raining today, so I'm just gonna leave that in here. All that needs to be put away. But here is what the kitchen looks like right now. Pretty green, pretty like cottagey feel, but we are transforming that and we are turning it into a more modern, more like that. I'd feel like this would be more so like light academia because there's a lot of lighter colors I decided to go with. But if you saw the other video where I decorated the living room, I got that right there. And then we've had these like tan curtains in here. It's very like dark but with light walls, which I love. So it's still bright and open but pretty moody, I guess you could say. Lots of black, lots of brown, and eventually I want to change this out into something just more pretty. But that covers up our little glass door right here. But yeah, we're gonna change it up so that the kitchen flows really nicely with the living room, and it's not like 2 different types of interior design. So okay, let's go ahead and do this. Alright, I'm done straightening up the kitchen now. I want to show y'all what I picked up from Walmart. I wanted to get some new cleaning supplies because I love showing y'all new things on the channel, especially for cleaning videos. So I got this OxyClean Foamtastic. I really like this stuff. I will say it takes your breath away. It's very strong, so make sure you're not like closed off in the bathroom when you're using it. But I love how it's purple, so it's just fun. But it does a really good job, and then it turns just clear whenever it's ready to be wiped down. So I'm going to use that in the sinks in the bathroom. I can use it on the toilet and in the shower. It's a great all-around bathroom cleaner. And then Aaron picked out this simple green all-purpose cleaner. He said he's used it before. I don't know if I've ever used it, but I just know, I feel like I've either heard of it or I just know it's used a lot by a lot of people. So let me know if you use this down in the comments below. So we got that, and then I saw these. I was like, oh my gosh. So I sprayed this cozy campfire one, and wow, does it smell good. So that's worth trying. And then I haven't sprayed the pumpkin patch. I just assume it smells like pumpkin, so I got one of those. And then I see people use this microban. I think one of my friends, Maria's Mom Life, uses the microban. So I got this one. I like how it's an all-purpose cleaner or multi-purpose cleaner, but it also kills germs, so it's like an antibacterial as well. So I really like that. It cleans and disinfects. These I love. This is the Better Homes and Garden. This is my favorite brand of wax melts. They work wonderfully for a couple of days, and then you have to change them out, but they really do throw off the smell. So I love that. Our little wax warmers in our bathroom, so I'm gonna pop one of those in there today. And then here's the new stuff that I got to decorate with. I love decorating with accents because you're already going to be having them in the space, and they just change the scenery. So it is, to me, it's like a decor, but it's also very functional, and I love that for small houses. So this was under $6. You got 5 pieces, so 2 of these, 1 hand mitt, and then you get a 2 kitchen towels, which I thought these would be perfect for the theme we're going with. And then this tablecloth I thought was gorgeous. I love the neutral colors to it. I love how it has the, like, I would say this is more like a charcoal gray versus a black, but I love all the different colors. It's basically got every color that we have: the black, the tan, and the like a white. I really like the oatmeal theme. And then these are the curtains I picked out. They're not exactly like the ones I have in the living room, but I think because the kitchen is so much brighter than the living room that they'll be okay. I don't know if that makes sense, but I think they'll be good. So I got 2 of those. I'm probably not going to use the top one on our kitchen sink because I feel like I get my lighting messed up whenever I have the window open like that, but I will use all 3 pieces on the one near our air conditioner. So these were all really good prices. I think these were under $15 a piece, which isn't too bad. And then this, like I said, was only like $5.93. And then all the cleaning products were under $4 a piece. So I think that is a good deal overall. So okay, y'all, very excited. We're gonna take this stuff down and these down. I'm gonna take the tablecloth down, and then we're just going to redecorate everything.
Never was the last word that I heard you say before you hung up the phone. Silence, never thought that it would go this way with you wanting me gone. I don't believe in no. Just last week you called me your babe, and now you're letting go. The way you're talking is driving me insane. Hello, can we sit and talk this through? the show. 'Cause even if we're hanging by a thread, and the words you said is spinning in my head, I just wanna pull you closer in this bed, take me back into your arms, and I'll never let you down, Take me back into your arms, and I'll never let you down, Take me back into your arms, and I'll never let you down, Tell me, can we meet up at your place tonight, honey? I'm coming over, yeah, you know me. I would give up anything for you. You say it, you know I'll do it, yeah. I don't believe in no. Just last week you called me your babe, and now you're letting go. The way you're talking is driving me insane. Hello, can we sit and talk this through for once before you call off the show? 'Cause even if we're hanging by a thread, and the words you said is spinning in my head, I just wanna pull you closer in this bed, take me back into your arms, and I'll never let you down, Take me back into your arms, and I'll never let you down, Take me back into your arms, and I'll never let you down, Take me back into your arms, and I'll never let you down, Take me back into your arms, and I'll never let you down,
Don't need someone to save me, no, and don't come running to blame me. From miles away I can tell that something's off. The way you look and how you pause when you talk, I think you said enough. You said your love for me something brand new. You said this is something you would never do. Here we are in your car, let me see who you are, who you really are, yeah. Don't need you here to say you're sorry.
Alright, I'm so happy with how this turned out. Let me show y'all the finished result. Okay, so first just wanted to show like the living room, and now how it goes in there, and now we'll walk in here. Okay, so I actually like how the tablecloth is hanging. It may not be for everybody, but I kind of love that loose feel, like kind of just flowy. I like that. And then I got the little centerpiece there that we made in another video, and I love how these curtains turned out. They are lighter than the ones in the living room, but I think it works. They're close enough that it just blends in, especially better than the lemon curtains were. But I love this tablecloth. It's probably my favorite thing that I picked out today, and it's just so pretty. I'm so glad we went with that option, because there was like 3 options that we were tinkering with, which we always show like in the moments on Instagram, so you definitely want to be following me over there if you want to see like behind the scenes stuff and just more daily living type of content. And then over here, only thing that changed were these. I've never put 2 out at the same time, but I kind of like the look of it, so we're going with it. Put that there, and then if y'all noticed on the back of that 5-piece set, they showed these on the wall, and I like that. So I went ahead and put them on the wall. This one is somewhat bothering me. I wish I could put it like right there, but I think we're gonna go over here a little bit. Okay, I like that a little bit better. I feel like it was a little too close to this compared to how far away this is from that. That's a little bit better to me. I love it. Okay, I love it. And then here's the curtains, and I like how that looks because it's closed now. So now hopefully whenever I'm like doing dishes and stuff, it's just like this and it's not making the room super bright. So there we go. So I hope y'all enjoyed today's video and you got a little bit of inspiration from it, and also a little bit of encouragement that if you don't have a lot of money to spend or you don't have a lot of space to decorate, switching out your accents makes a huge difference. So don't sleep on the curtains and the little hand towels and stuff. Switch those out, and you could always donate your old ones if you want to, or they're small enough that you could just slip them in a dresser if you want, or one of those like you could put a bunch of stuff in a bag and then like suction. Y'all know what I'm talking about, those clear bags. But anyways, I appreciate y'all being here. Don't forget to subscribe if you are new, and I will see you back here in the next one. Bye.
'Cause if you're gonna leave me, then just do it. Don't take it slow, don't be gentle.